So, as I was going from point A to point B, as I told you earlier, I was a bit anxious because I was not getting anybody to talk to. But then, after I have reached across half of my destination, I came across two people who were from any random country because initially I didn't knew like from which country they were. So what happened? So what happened? I encountered one of them working on a laptop and they were editing some kind of videos. And actually, those videos were of Banaras, like the videos of the ghats of Banaras and all those that evening aarti and all of those things. So that kind of video attracted me to have a conversation with them. So I stopped by and asked that guy, like, have you recorded those videos? And he, to which he replied, yes, I have recorded. And first of all, when I was having a conversation with them in English, because that's the only third language I know, so I was a kind of afraid in my mind because I didn't knew that were they knowing English or not, or they would start talking in any other random language, to which for God's sake they knew English. So we started having a talk and they told me that they have been in India for the last 3 weeks. So their first location was Kolkata, obviously. In Kolkata, they visited Victoria Memorial and some other places I didn't ask them. So I told them that if you're going to again visit India and specifically Kolkata, then you must come during the festival time. And I told them all about the different vibes that you will be getting if you visit Kolkata during that festival. And after Kolkata, they visited Banaras. They have gone through all the historic locations, historic places, and all the major locations. And now they were heading towards point B. And on talking further, they told me that they were next going to Amritsar to visit the Golden Temple, and then they will be going to Rishikesh to have a river raft and all those things. So interestingly, in between our conversation, I get to know that both these individuals were from Japan. Yes, and as soon as I got to hear that they are from Japan, I was intense curious because I wanted to know like how the life is in Japan. And to my surprise, they both were from Hokkaido. You know Hokkaido? Hokkaido, the place which we usually get to know in our childhood cartoons. So, as they were from Hokkaido, and as we were stretching out the conversations, both were smiling, both were talking very nicely. So, I also talked with a huge smile on my face. So, I told them that currently I am not traveling to any other country, but when I will be going to any other international country, my first country is definitely going to be Japan. To which they replied, yeah, sure, sure. When you will be coming here, tell us. We will be pleased to meet you. And I said, okay, that's really nice. And they even showed me their social media handles, like their YouTube channel and their Instagram page, to which I followed all of that. And it is called Nanavati, like Nanawatty. So that was, and before coming to India, they have went to Sri Lanka and they wandered in Sri Lanka for like approx 1 week. And like I also inquired about the Japan's countryside and the main techie cities. So one thing I can definitely infer from all of these conversations is like these people were very joyful, like they were really happy to have a conversation. And initially what I used to think that these people are very conservative, maybe kind of some introvert, and they don't like to be disturbed or being talked by any third person. But after having a very nice conversation with them, my all those beliefs got busted, and I get to know that yes, if you are really interested to talk to someone, they are always ready. It's you who need to approach. So this was all about the part 2 of the storytelling, and I have many more stories to tell you. Literally, I have many more stories, and we will be discussing, not we will be, I will be telling you all those stories in the upcoming videos. And till then, you can go through my initial videos, to which you won't be getting any much information, because these are the videos that I'm recording to improve my communication skills, my pauses, my articulation. So if you love storytelling, you can have a watch, or I won't mind.